Locate and explain the procedures for trimming a turbine engine. During the performance check, you found that the left engine shows higher fuel flow and elevated exhaust gas temperature. Acceleration is sluggish, takeoff thrust is low. However, there's no engine damage and the installation checks out. So, what's the real issue? It might not be mechanical at all. It could be an improperly trimmed fuel control system. To find out, you first need to understand what trimming means. Trimming a turbine engine involves adjusting the fuel control to bring the engine within specified parameters, such as idle and maximum RPM. Let's walk through the trimming process step by step and learn how engine trimming is done and what it takes to do it accurately and safely. According to the FAA and engine manufacturer, trimming is required after replacing the fuel control, following an engine change, or when throttle stagger is observed. Let's start with accurate preparation. First, gather the correct trim charts or engine-specific performance curves. These help you identify the right thrust or RPM target for the current ambient conditions at your location. Next, set up your instruments. Use a calibrated EPR gauge or a Pressure Turbine 7 probe to measure engine pressure accurately. These readings are critical for comparing actual engine output against certified values. Now, record ambient conditions. Use a precision barometer and thermometer to measure the outside air temperature and pressure. These numbers directly affect your trim target, so accuracy here is essential. Before you make any adjustments, warm up the engine. Let it reach normal operating temperature and stabilize. Trimming must always be done under steady-state conditions to ensure reliable results. When the engine is stable, begin making fine adjustments. Locate the max and idle screws on the fuel control unit. Turn them slowly and carefully, just enough to bring the engine output in line with the target shown on your trim check data sheet or the takeoff thrust setting curve. Finally, confirm the trim. The engine should now be reaching its certified thrust without overboosting. That means you're staying within limits for pressure, temperature, and fuel flow, ensuring the engine is performing exactly as it should. While trimming, we follow the following checklist. Always trim in calm or no wind conditions and never with a tailwind. After any high RPM run, allow the engine to cool at idle to prevent thermal damage. Once adjustments are complete, document all final readings and trim settings. Trimming isn't just an adjustment. It's precision in action. In turbine maintenance, it's how safety and performance come together.